don't judge. That right there is the scariest feeling. Opening and closing up again, it hurts so I don't trust. Now here we are staring at the ceiling.
I've said the